All right, what's going on, everyone? Are you guys getting a ton of value? Yeah? You guys excited to learn from the top earners? People who are making things happen right now? Yes? 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 All right, awesome. So I said that I wanted to go ahead and introduce these guys because, again, I understand the value they bring to our community. I understand the lives that they impact and the real community atmosphere that they always strive to provide for all of you guys and then for all of your members and for everybody we have here within the Super Affiliate Network. So the first people I'd like to go ahead and introduce came on board with us right when we got started, ended up doing $42,000 in just the first 3.5 months or so after getting started, very quickly, immediately got positioned, and they've gone on to do over $180,000, just about $180,000, I believe, in total commissions with the Super Affiliate Network. The one and only Ace and Rich. Come on up, guys.
Beautiful, don't you know? Live your life, live your life. Let the love inside. It's your life, it's your life. The beauty's deep inside, inside you. Don't let them bring you down, no.
All right, this next individual came on very shortly after Ace and Rich, actually because of Ace and Rich, and she came on with a passion. She ended up doing $27,000 in her first 9 weeks, I believe, and building a rock-solid team, bringing people to the first Maui Intensive, and has gone on to become one of our top earners. But again, who here really likes the idea of having a lifestyle-oriented business, where it's more about freedom and less about grind, right? And that's what she's done better than just about anybody else within our community. And without further ado, I'd like to introduce and bring up onto stage the one and only Karen Richardson.
Inside you. Don't let them bring you down. No. The beauty is inside you. Don't let them bring you down. No.
This next individual needs no introduction. You guys just heard from her, and you guys have probably seen her everywhere in the last couple of months. She got started actually because of these two. Again, remember when I talked about bringing in quality over quantity, if you guys want to earn Tier 2. She got started probably just about a year actually ago with the Super Affiliate Network. I believe in her second month, she made something like 14 pro sales, kind of even working maybe probably 30% effort at the time, not really putting everything that she had into it. She actually came out to Maui, Hawaii, and she needed to meet me. She needed to get to know me a little bit before she actually had full faith in the system and really trusted what we were doing and saw the impact that we were trying to go ahead and make. And she came out to Maui, and she looked me in the eye and she says, "Misha, when I go home, I'm going to run with this." And I hear that from a lot of people, and it's always kind of like, all right, cool, I'll believe it when I see it, right? And she went home and blew up, for lack of a better word. Within about a month, she was doing 15 grand a month very regularly. She then hit 20 grand a month. She then hit 25. She then hit 30, then 30 grand a month consistently. And she is the one and only Keisha Bass. Keisha, come on up here.
Beautiful, don't you know? Don't you know? Don't you know? Beautiful, don't you know? No, 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 no.
This last individual, again, needs no introduction because he is officially part of the Sand family. He's always been part of the Sand family, but he's on the staff now. You guys have already heard from him. One of my favorite people in the world, one of the hardest workers I know, one of the people who cares about each and every one of you more than just about anybody else within our community, one of the people who cares about his customers more than anybody else in the industry, someone who's a true rock star at what he does, someone who got started with the Super Affiliate Network and his very first day made his first sale and has gone on to become a top earner and make as much as $8,000 in a single day, leveraging what we have here at SAN. The one and only Dan Musket. Come on up, brother.
lose your head. Your beauty's deep inside you. Don't let them bring you down. No. The beauty is inside.
All right, who wants to learn from these guys? Yeah? All right, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to pick their brains a little bit, and we're going to ask questions that hopefully equate to them bringing a ton of value to both of you. Me and Jason will go back and forth, and you'll get to learn directly from the best of the best. So let me go ahead and take a seat, because I don't want to be pacing back and forth in front of these guys the entire time. But, I mean, most at this point, you know, they've heard from all of you guys, but just in 60 seconds, 30 seconds, because you've already told your stories, go ahead and tell your story really quickly, refresh their memory, and then we'll get this thing kicked off. So Dan, why don't you start?
Cool. So obviously my name is Dan. You already know who I am. I'm a traditional business owner in the past, and I got started in affiliate marketing by accident, as you heard my story yesterday. And I just fell in love with the business model. I spent a lot of money trying to make ends meet, trying to generate leads and sales, and absolutely failed forward many times. Did not quit. Finally found the solo weight success formula, Misha Wilson, and then generated my first, 30, 40 leads using that traffic generation strategy. Shortly after, made my first sale online with a particular company that I was promoting. Thereafter, made my first high ticket commission, and then started scaling my business. Joined Sand when it was just born as a coach. Came on, scaled my business behind the scenes, and here I am today.
Pass the mic down. Oh, cool.
I have a little
Awesome.
go on. So Keisha Bass here, wife and mom, and an ex-quitter. So trying to think of something I didn't say. But I got sick and tired of being jolted out of my bed to an alarm clock, dropping my little baby off at daycare, and just knew there had to be a better way, and got online, and struggled. But learned some skill sets and stuff, and really took me to the next level, changed my mindset, about some things, and found my way. The Super Affiliate Network found me, actually, and I was in a transitional period of my life and in business. And Ace and Rich, I don't know, the system found me, and as Misha was saying, the to be continued. Still riding the sword. Yeah, 2 Comma Club. Here we go.
There we go.
All right, I'm Karen Richardson, wife and mum as well. And I actually, just before the online marketing thing, I did a bit of network marketing, and I just really hated the business, marketing model, prospect every poor bugger you meet, basically. So that's when I went to look online. I found this other system, and I just thought, oh my God, this is it, it's amazing. And so as you know, $14,000 later, and the positioning, and getting my Facebook ad account shut down, and so I contacted Ace and Rich, because I saw they were getting this shed load of leads on their AWeber account. I'm like, guys, what are you doing? And that was it. That's kind of where it all started.